Some cash advance apps can send money in minutes without running a hard credit check. That means your credit score usually stays untouched, and approval depends more on income history, bank activity, or direct deposit patterns. By the end of this, you'll know which 8 apps are worth checking, and what makes each one different. Here's the short answer first. If you need fast money and want to avoid traditional payday loans, these apps are usually the fastest option. First up is Dave. Dave offers small advances tied to your bank activity and income. The app analyzes spending patterns and can spot upcoming bills. That helps reduce overdrafts, which is why a lot of people use it as a backup instead of waiting for payday. Second is Earnin. Earnin works differently. It tracks hours worked and lets you access part of your paycheck early. No credit check. The catch is you usually need a steady job and direct deposit. Third is Brigit. Brigit looks at your checking account behavior and predicts when your balance is getting low. If you qualify, it can send an advance automatically. That's useful if your problem is recurring, not just one emergency. Now, for a few alternatives. MoneyLion combines cash advances with banking tools. If you already want budgeting, credit tracking, and early paycheck access in one app, this one does all three. Clover gives advances based on your paycheck history. Instead of interest, it uses optional data sharing and rewards systems. That's a trade-off you should know before signing up. Auber is another one. It mixes cash advances with savings tools and financial tracking. Good if you want one app doing multiple jobs instead of just borrowing. Empower is built for speed. It links to your bank, checks deposits, and can offer advances fast if your account history looks stable. Simple setup, less clutter. And then there's Clio. Clio uses an AI-style budgeting system and offers cash advances based on account behavior. It feels more casual, but the money feature works like the others. Here's what matters before choosing. Check how the app decides eligibility. Some need payroll history. Some need regular deposits. Some care about average balance. Check transfer speed. Standard transfers can take days. Instant transfers usually cost extra. And check fees. No credit check does not mean free. Quick recap. Earnin is strong for employees. Dave and Brigit are solid for overdraft protection, and MoneyLion or Albert work better if you want extra banking features. Your next step is simple. Compare your paycheck setup and bank history against these apps before applying. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more app breakdowns like this.